So these automated emails, they're the emails such as the password reset, the welcome email, when a message has been received, and the emails are sent whenever these actions occur. So this helps you out as the marketplace owner, so you're not having to send a password reset email to a user every single time, because that is something that happens a lot. So these are your automated emails. One of the easiest ways to create these templates is through MailChimp. And MailChimp is free to sign up. We've already got a site, so I will show you the steps on how to set up your email templates through MailChimp. So I'm going to log in. And for new users, it's completely free. The templates are free. You'll log in. When you log in, you'll click on Templates. And you'll click on Create Templates. We obviously already have a few. And here you'll see you've got options for featured templates. You've got your basic templates, and you also have theme templates, which already have colors and images. So you can have a gander at those and select one. For now, for this tutorial, I'll just use the basic one column template. So you'll click on that. And once it loads, when you hover your mouse over the different sections, these are your content boxes. And over here you'll see kind of a description and some instruction on how to edit these content boxes. So on the first one, when you click on the pencil, you'll notice that a text box appears here to the right side. This is where you can enter your text however long you want. You also have the option to duplicate this box or to completely delete this content block entirely. And once you do finish entering your text for that block, you'll want to save and close. And then you can continue on to your next block. To upload images, you can either drag and drop from your desktop, or you can browse. And when you click on browse, it'll take you to a folder within MailChimp. Now we already have some images saved. I'm just going to pick one. And if you want to pick one, you just click on Insert. If you don't want to use any of these and you want to use one from your desktop and you just want to upload it, you'll simply click on Upload, and that'll take you to your desktop files. I'm just going to pick this one for this example, so I'll click on Insert. And as you see, it'll insert itself in that space, in that image space. And you do have the option to add in text if you'd like. And to do that, you just click on Text. Now your next box, you'll continue. You'll see here you can edit and rearrange and do whatever you need with the text. Type in whatever you need. You can also edit these images or these URLs over here, your social media URLs. So here's where you'll enter your Twitter handle, your Facebook handle, and whatever other website you'd like. And as you see, there's tons here that you can choose from: your Instagram, your Snapchat, SoundCloud, whatever you'd like. And of course, you save and close when you complete that. Now this part down here, this is a tricky part. It's not as tricky because it just looks scary because it's in HTML. You do not have to know HTML in order to enter this stuff enter it in correctly. So under the copyright, you'll just simply click over here. This is just simply telling you this is where your marketplace name will go. So marketplace name here. All rights reserved. If you want to add in a description, you can add it in there. If not, you can just completely delete that. Our mailing address, this is where you'll put in your mailing address. So ours is info@mymarketplacebuilder.com. And if you don't want to put anything in this section, you can just delete it and then save and close. And as you see, you don't need to know HTML for it to save correctly. So once you're done, you will want to save and exit, and you'll want to name your template. So this is just an example. You'll save it, and you'll be led back to your template, your main template page. Now, the next step we'll need you to do is for each email template that you create, so you'll create a new one for each type of email. So one for your password reset email, one for the welcome email, one for when some message has been received. All of those, so you'll have a long list over here. Whenever you're done setting all of those up, we'll need you to export them to HTML. Now that sounds scary, but it's a lot easier than you think. So next to your email template in your main template page, over here on this drop down, you'll select Export as HTML, and you'll click on Export Template, and that'll lead you to save it onto your desktop. And once you save it, you'll just click on Save. And once you save it onto your desktop, you'll just repeat that same exact process for each one. So you'll click on the drop down next to that email template, click on Export as HTML, save it to your desktop, and once you're done, you'll send all of those files to us. The last couple of steps to set up your automated emails will all be done through your admin dashboard. The first thing you're going to want to do is under Automated Emails, you'll select SMTP Setup Settings. Under Email, you'll enter in your email and the password to that email. Under the email sender, that can be the same as this email up here. However, let's say you have a personal email that is your primary email. So let's say Liz, my name, liz@gmail.com. So let's change that just for tutorial's sake. So liz@gmail.com. I don't necessarily want the person receiving this automated email to see that email address as liz@gmail.com. I want it to look more professional. I want it to be an admin@gmail.com. Now, if I want that, I'll have to set that admin@gmail.com in G Suite. So it is an additional setup. However, if it doesn't matter, you can use the same email you have up here as the email sender email. Once you've completed that, you'll click on Save. You'll be back in your admin dashboard. Now, to set up your MailChimp email templates and to set them up for the marketplace, same place. You'll go to Automated Emails. You'll go to Email Templates. And this will take me to my full list of email templates. These are the same emails that you set up in your MailChimp. So let's use the forgot password email. So we'll go into Edit. I just have some filler text in there. Now to get the HTML for this, you'll want the emails that you exported to HTML, you'll want to open the one for forgot password. So I have an example here, and when you open them up, they'll look like this. It'll look like a web page. Now to get the code from this, you'll want to right click, View Page Source, and here, as you can see, you see a bunch of HTML text. Now, you'll just want to simply select all, copy, go back to your email template, and paste it in there. And once you've completed that, you'll click on Save, and you'll repeat that same exact process with every email on the list that you created for MailChimp. So you'll be entering the HTML for each one of your MailChimp emails. And once you are done with that, you'll just go back to your dashboard and you have completed setting up your automated emails.